Carboxylic acids, acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Carboxylic acids are a class of organic compounds characterized by the presence of a carboxyl group in their chemical structure. The carboxyl group consists of a carbonyl group, C is equal to O, and a hydroxyl group, O, attached to the same carbon atom, which is part of a carbon chain or ring. The general formula for a carboxylic acid is ACU, where A represents an alkyl or aryl group. These compounds are known for their acidic properties, and they can release hydrogen ions, H+, when dissolved in water, making them weak acids. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Acetic acid has one CU group in its molecule, and it is the chief constituent of vinegar. Laboratory preparation of acetic acid or ethanoic acid. A. By the oxidation of ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is observed to get oxidized with the acidified potassium dichromate, it forms acetaldehyde, which is again oxidized to form acetic acid. B. By the hydrolysis of ethyl acetate. Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate with concentrated sulfuric acid gives acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Production of acetic acid. A. Using ethanol, acetic acid naturally forms in fruit juices during the fermentation process, which is facilitated by a bacterium known as Acetobacter. To produce acetic acid industrially, fermented liquid containing 10 to 15% alcohol undergoes oxidation when exposed to air in the presence of Acetobacter. This process yields a solution containing 3 to 7% acetic acid, commonly referred to as vinegar. B. Using methanol. Another recent industrial method for acetic acid production involves the reaction of methanol vapors with carbon monoxide in the presence of the iodine-rhodium catalyst. Physical properties of acetic acid. 1. Physical state. Acetic acid is a colorless, pungent-smelling liquid at room temperature and pressure. 2. Odor and taste. It has a strong, pungent, vinegar-like odor and a sour taste. 3. Solubility. Acetic acid is highly soluble in water, which means it readily forms homogeneous mixtures when added to water. 4. Boiling point. The boiling point of acetic acid is around 118.1 degrees Celsius, 244.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Melting point. It freezes at a relatively low temperature, with a melting point of approximately 16.6 degrees Celsius, 61.9 degrees Fahrenheit. 6. Density. Acetic acid is denser than water, with a density of about 1.049 gcm superscript 3. 7. Vapor pressure. Acetic acid has a significant vapor pressure, meaning it readily evaporates into the air at room temperature, contributing to its characteristic smell. Chemical properties of acetic acid. 1. Acidic properties. Acetic acid ionizes in water to the extent of 4% to produce H+ ions. It is the availability of H+ ions which imparts acidic properties. 2. A. Action with litmus. It turns moist blue litmus solution red. B. Action with metallic carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. It reacts with metallic carbonates or hydrogen carbonates with a lot of effervescence, with the formation of metallic ethanotes, water and carbon dioxide gas. For example, C. Action with alkalis or bases. It reacts with alkalis to form their respective salts and water. For example, D. Action with metals. It reacts with active metals slowly to form their respective acetates and hydrogen gas. 2. Formation of esters. It reacts with alcohols in the presence of conc. Sulfuric acid on warming to form esters which have a fruity smell. 3. With phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride, it reacts with PCl3 or PCl5 to form acetyl chloride. 4. Action of heat. On heating with dehydrating agent P2O5, it forms acetic anhydride. 5. Reduction. With LiALH4, it reduced to ethanol. 6. Decarboxylation, the chemical reaction in which a carboxyl group, COOH, is removed from a molecule, often releasing carbon dioxide. The decarboxylation of acetic acid is carried by soda lime, which is a mixture of NaOH and CaO to give methane gas. Uses of acetic acid. 1. Acetic acid is widely used in the food industry for pickling and preserving various food items, such as cucumbers, peppers, and olives. 2. It serves as a key ingredient in the production of vinegar, adding its characteristic tangy flavor to salad dressings and condiments. 3. In the textile industry, acetic acid is essential for the manufacture of acetate fibers like rayon and acetate silk. 4. Acetic acid is a crucial component in the production of synthetic materials such as plastics, cellulose acetate, and photographic films. 5. It plays a role in the synthesis of various chemicals, including acetic anhydride, which is used in the production of aspirin. 6. Acetic acid is employed in the pharmaceutical industry as a chemical reagent and preservative. 7. In laboratories, it is used for chemical analysis and experimentation.